We're going on an adventure.
We're going on an adventure!
Where are we going? Bye, boat. Bye.
Should I keep that on the back?
Hi guys. I'm gonna tell you about how I feel to go on the boat. So it's just I feel very happy that I get to go on an adventure and do lots of fun things on the boat and learn, and I can do homeschooling instead of just going to school.
So after packing up our home and selling most of our possessions, we are off to the airport.
We are going to a boat in Cairns first.
What's the boat called?
Carolina. We think we'll keep the name. Or are we?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Not literally. Are we keeping the boat?
The boat, yeah, we're keeping the boat. I hope so. We're buying it today. Do you mean the name?
Yes.
I believe we are, yeah. I think we will. Hey, Rona, what do you reckon? What do you reckon, Bo?
We got chat-ons.
It's good luck
It is good luck.
for a salty sea dog like you.
Not salty enough yet.
Give it time.
Saltiest thing I've had today are the chips.
Check out this prison guard of this friggin' seagull.
Hi, Stevie.
This is what the homeless do.
Think you're gonna get bitten by a crocodile? I reckon you'd be pretty tasty. What's the news? No news.
Bad news.
No news is good news? No news is bad news.
After 5 hours of waiting, we were able to go and pick up our new home, Tayrona. Let the packing begin.
What do you reckon? What does it taste like? Doesn't taste as good as what you thought? What do you think?
Yeah, tastes like coconut water. After a week of getting ourselves sorted in the marina, we were ready to make a move. So to start the day, we ate celebratory pancakes. Let the adventures begin.
Shoes on. What have you got?
Ice cream and gelato. So, what is that? No, actually, Mum, what's that?
It's my sorbet.
What's a sorbet?
My ice cream.
Oh, man. Pepperoni.
Alright. The margarita
margarita, he dropped. He dropped the margarita, so we have to come back for it in 5.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stick around for our next video.